iCAN stands for Illinois Computing Accelerator for Non-Specialists. And what that is basically a one-year graduate certificate degree program for anyone with a college degree in anything other than computing to get a one-year computing experience in programming, data structures, and algorithms, which really focuses on the fundamentals of computer science.
The iCAN program was started because there is a real need to have more people with computing skills. Not just more people, but more diverse people with different backgrounds, different opinions, different ideas. The more people we can have involved in computing with different perspectives, the better our field would be. And so we need a new pathway to get people with different backgrounds into computing.
What's unique about iCAN, I think, is a few things. One, it's developed for people who have a college degree in something other than computer science. And it has a financial aid component, meaning that domestic students would be eligible for federal financial aid. The final thing I would say is that the program offers a way for students to do a capstone-like project.
The program is synchronous, but it's online entirely. So I was in Tampa, Florida when I was studying, and one of my friends was in Kuwait, and when we came and met on campus, it felt like I knew him for years ago. It was just a very natural conversation. We've hung out a lot of times. I feel like it's people that make the program, and it's definitely the people here at iCAN.
Each student is unique for why they want to do it.
I've always enjoyed writing computer science, and I wanted to get more information and learn more about it. So I looked for a grad school program, and University of Illinois was unique. It was really one of the only programs, and they were piloting this graduate level certificate to crash course into computer science, and I jumped on it.
I chose iCAN because it provided a pathway into computing without having prior experience in technology. So my background was in art education, and I wanted to try something new, and I really appreciated the supportive community and being able to work with people from other backgrounds as well.
And it really gives you this solid foundational base to then build on that in whatever way makes sense for each and every student. And so some of the students have built on that by looking at different career opportunities in the background that they came from. Some students have gone on to continue their computing education by going on to get a master's in computer science.
I'm currently doing my master's in computer science, and I'm in the process of applying to a PhD program in CS, something I wouldn't have imagined 2 years ago, much less actually even a few months ago. So it's a phenomenal trajectory for me.
Currently, I work as an assistant security engineer. During iCAN, I did my capstone project was research with a security lab, and I think the experiences there kind of gave me some essential knowledge that I use in my role now.
I just got accepted for a position at Corning Fiber Optical Division in North Carolina. And so I'll be doing a rotational engineering program, getting exposure to all the different aspects of designing all the way to manufacture and install for fiber optic cables.
It's a cohort model, and so you have a good community and you work collaboratively with others who have also different backgrounds.
They encourage to work together, work in groups, get to know one another. And so the students are learning not just from us, but also from each other. They have an opportunity to inspire each other, support each other. And so the cohort model is definitely something that students rely on, benefit from, and then use as they continue their path from iCAN into computing.
Particularly, one of the things that I really enjoyed is tackling challenges together as a group.
And I did some other classes, and when you're sitting in a class with 600, 500 people, it's just not as impactful. It's not as friendship and relationship building as the iCAN program was.
The advice I would give to a student is that anybody could do it. A lot of students, even though they're admitted and as I said, the faculty is dedicated to their success, students doubt whether they can really do it or not. And so the advice would be don't doubt. If you could do it, anybody could do it.
This is an adventure and an opportunity to learn. So trust in yourself, enjoy it, and get the most that you can out of it.
I would highly recommend that you go for it. You'll not regret that.